When you no longer use a device, it's hard to decide how to get rid of it. But what if you can get something back from it? Here, the Amazon Trade In program offers an easy and straightforward solution. You can send your old item to Amazon, and in return, you can get money to buy new stuff. Hi, I am Tashdid from Ecom Clips. I will tell you about the Amazon Trade In program and how to trade your old item in it. Let's dive in. A huge number of electronic devices has been thrown away every day. But sometimes trash might be another's treasure. There an hidden value on our old gadgets and books. There is where trade-in program comes into play. Amazon says they want to build a more sustainable business with customers. They are aimed to repurpose customers' old items. Also, they want to reduce the e-waste of the planet. So, it is basically a buyback program that allows you to send your unwanted electronic devices to Amazon. In exchange, you will not get money, but you will get discount and gift cards. And you can use those gift cards to buy more stuff. If you do a lot of shopping on Amazon, then might be it worth it? Store credit is as good as real money if you use it properly. What items can I sell using Amazon Trade In? Well, you cannot trade in all the items. There are certain criteria. This is primarily focused on old texts and books. The items you can send to Amazon through this program are mobile phones and accessories, cameras, camcorders, and camera equipments like lenses, cases, chargers, and etc. Laptops and tablets, gaming equipment like headsets, mics, controller, consoles, etc. Games, DVDs, and Blu-ray discs. Books and reading materials. Music equipment, for example, music players, speakers, sound systems. Internet equipment, for example, routers, leads, wired internet adapters, Amazon Kindles, and e-readers. How it works? Here's how the program works. When you trade something on Amazon, they will offer a quick quote on how much the value of its item is worth. Then they will give you a free shipping for the items to send back to Amazon facilities. Once Amazon confirms they have your items and approves it, you will receive your required discounts or gift card to buy new items. They will restore your old item if they can and resell them to consumers looking for cheaper items. Some items can be too damaged. Amazon has teamed up with top-notch recyclers to make sure your stuff gets a second chance, not a one-way ticket to the landfill. So, here's the whole idea. Get a quick quote, ship your stuff for free, and get paid when they approve. In the beginning, when Amazon first introduced this program, there was no way to mention the condition of your item. To fix that, they introduced a cool new system. Now, you tell them how good your stuff is, and they give extra credit for the good stuff. It's like getting rewarded for taking care of your gear. How to submit items in Amazon Trade-In. Now, let's see how to send your old item and get credit for it. Open the main menu, click on Kindle e-readers and books. Scroll the main menu and click Trade-In. There are basically two ways you can do the trade-in deal. You can start by choosing a discount on your desired Amazon device. Simply click any of these links and then type your item information. Or you can see which items are eligible for discount in this section. Click on an item which you want. Then the product page is opened. click on the text called Trade In. Now you have to give information about your old device. That's it. Another way is by selecting your device which you want to send to Amazon. This way you will get the gift cards. You can trade your cell phone, gaming device or gaming accessories. Simply select your device from here. Mention your device model and other information. Mention the condition and fill this form, then submit your request. Amazon will show you all the shipping information and give you printouts which you can print and attach to your package. Then you can drop off your packaged trade-in items at any UPS store or eligible UPS drop-off point. After receiving your item, Amazon will review the condition. They won't confirm the value until they have it in hand. And you only get paid after they say everything's checked out. Typically, you will receive more money for products that are in good and excellent condition, and you will likely receive less money if the items are looking a bit worse. Remember, Amazon has the right to change the initial quote after reviewing the condition. And they also can cancel the trade-in if you have sent the wrong item. If there are any changes, Amazon will notify you before the transition is agreed. Once this is all settled, you will receive a payment in the form of discounts, gift cards, or account credits. Good thing is, if your old device has sensitive data, then Amazon will destroy them for you to guarantee customer privacy. But I will recommend you to do it yourself. And one bad thing I would like to share with you guys, when I was looking for trade-in value for my iPhone 15 Pro Max, Amazon offered me only $260 for it, which I think it's pretty low for me. The resale value of this device should be higher. Whatever, let's move on to the next stuff. Before you dive into trading your stuff with Amazon, there are few things you need to know. Location limitation. Currently, the trade-in program is only for folks in the USA. So, you need to US address to join in. Unlock and deregister. If you have electronic goods to trade, make sure they are unlocked and deregister. Locked or registered device won't fly, and you might miss out an extra credit. Payment process. Any reward you get will be deposited straight into your Amazon account. Just remember they are tied to your account and cannot be shared. Bonus deals. Keep an eye out for special deals. Sometimes you will scroll discounts on products like Fire TV device or Kindle e-readers after your trade-in. Shipping deadline. Once you are agreed to the trade, ship your items within 45 days. Miss the deadline and your trade-in is off the table. Patience pays off. Amazon might take up to 25 days to evaluate your stuff after they receive it. So just hang tight. Your item must match the exact version in the trade-in search results or on the Amazon product page. If you cannot find an item in trade-in store, then you won't have an offer for it. Tips for trade-in. Now, I will tell you very few tips to level up your trade-in experience. Check functionality. Ensure everything you send works well. Items in good condition bring higher rewards. So, aim for functional goods to score better deals. Explore deals. Dive into Amazon's trade-in offer to explore discounts on a variety of products. These deals can help you save big on your next purchase. Clean your products, give your items a deep cleaning to boost their condition. A little cleanup can go a long way in increase their value. Be honest, do not give any misinformation about your item. If your item has any flaws, then mention it. This will save your time and hassle with Amazon's approval process. I have given a link in the description. You will find all the information and guideline regarding the trade-in program of Amazon on it. Don't forget to check that. So that's all for today's video. Before you toss away your old items, start your trade-in today and see what it gives you back. And let us know your trade-in experience in the comment section. Before you go, please subscribe to our channel. We have so many videos on Amazon and other e-commerce platforms. You will find it helpful. Till then, take care, stay safe. See you soon.